guys, and in this video I will code a Q&A game which will have 5 questions with 4 options in it. We will gonna to do with some lines of code and going and code with Python and Streamlit, which is a web framework for Python which is easy to learn. Here is the 5 questions we will ask the user. Let's import. Let me make some this. Importing the Streamlit library as short name st. St can be any file name, but any name, sorry, st, or you can also use Streamlit as the name. First we will show the user with some header like this is a Q&A game. Okay, let me show it how will it look like. If you wanted to run this web app, you will need to type library name Streamlit and command run and file name like Q&A. My file right now, my file name is Q&A game.py. It will run in another browser, in another tab here. Connecting to the ports, waiting. It will show. Yeah. Okay. Now is it running? Here is it. Here is the header. Here is the header Q&A. Now showing the header, and now user will be see the questions. We will gonna do with select box option in Streamlit. Here is the first question we will gonna to ask the user. What is the programming language is named after a type of Indonesian coffee? Interesting. Okay, and comma, and there will be a list of options that will be in it. As I know that I'm checking the answer is correct or not. I knew that the correct answer is Java, and we will show it correct. Okay, here it will look like rerunning. Here is the question. What programming language is named after a type of Indonesian coffee? Let me select first Golang. No. Java. Yes, it's Java. If we show any, like if the answer is wrong, then we will have to show the user that their option is not correct. That's okay. Like Golang is strong, right? Java. Okay. Now heading to second question using select box option, and the second answer question will be In which year eBay, a shopping web app, was founded? It was founded in 1995. Yep. Copying it and pasting, and comma, a waste, pasting. Here is the 4 option. We will ask the user, and if now checking the answer is true or not. If the answer is equal to 1995, then show the user success. Alright, your answer is good. Else, show the user their answer is wrong. Let's type. Okay, now check the second. What exactly? Let me see what is happening. Okay, now it is use 1995 and showing wrong when the okay, and heading to the third question. Showing the user the what will be what app has a green owl mascot? Which one? Duolingo. By the way, it's a good app. I personally use it for learning languages, but it's not a complete app to learn any language. Selecting a list, copying and paste the results, and checking the answer. Sorry, is to window st. Else user answer will be wrong. That's not it. Which app has a green owl as the mascots? Discord, nope. Lingo, yes. Now typing, sorry. Fourth answer question will be, what software development hosting company has a octa-core logo? Sure, GitHub. Right? Let me know in the comments. Now copying and pasting the options from there. Now checking the answers. If the answer is GitHub, then we will show the user their answer is alright. If not, their answer is wrong. Now checking, which software development hosting company has a octacad for the logo? GitHub. Yup. Why isn't showing right? GitHub. Okay, it was capital there. It's GitHub now. Okay, why is showing not it's why it has to be right? Why is he saying that is not right? Wait, let me look at this. Why isn't shown? Answer 4. Answer 4. That helps, I guess. Okay. Okay. I'm not understanding why. Let rewrite this code and now see GitHub. Alright. Now it's okay. Don't know why, but it will work. If answer question will be there. What is the fifth question? In what year did the first Amazon Web Services shortly AWS launched to the public? It was 2004. Copying and pasting some code. Yep. Right now checking. It's 2000. Super. Alright. Else your answer will be wrong. Okay. Alright. This is it for this video. Bye bye.